छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की, धर्मवीर छत्रपती संभाजी महाराज की जय भवानी, जय भवानी. हिंदवी स्वराज्याचे सरसंस्थापक छत्रपती शिवरायांना मानाचा मुजरा करतो. भारतीय राज्यघटनेचे शिल्पकार भारतरत्न डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर यांना मानवंदना अर्पित करतो.
to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Baba Saheb Ambedkar.
महाविजयाच्या या पर्वावर मंचावर उपस्थित असलेले
This
त्यांच्या
on the eve
नेतृत्वामध्ये
of
महाराष्ट्र भाजपने
the high point
हा
of our
महाविजय
election win
मिळवला.
in
ते आपले
Maharashtra.
महाराष्ट्राचे अध्यक्ष
This
रवींद्र
is
चव्हाणजी
the win for Maharashtra
उपस्थित
BJP.
आपले
I would attribute this
मंत्रिमंडळातील
to
आमचे
Maharashtra
सहकारी
BJP state
आशिष
president
शेलारजी,
Ravindra Chauhan,
पंकजाताई मुंडे,
also to
आमचे
cabinet
या ठिकाणी
ministers
मंगल प्रभात लोढा
Ashish Shelar, Pankaja
आणि
Munde,
विशेषतः
Mangal Prabhat
अहिल्यानगर
Lodha, and particularly
महानगरपालिका जिंकून या ठिकाणी आलेले
and also to Amit Satam, who has won
यशस्वी अध्यक्ष अमित साटम,
Ahilyanagar seat.
त्याचप्रमाणे किरीट सोमय्याजी,
I congratulate all of them. Apart from that,
चित्राताई,
Kirit Somaya is also present here.
आपले मान्यवर,
Prasad Laj,
मान्यवर आहेत.
Chitra Wagh,
सगळ्यांच्या
all
नावे
of them.
आपण घेत नाही.
All of them who are here. I might miss mentioning
आमचे
everyone.
कवाडेजी आणि या ठिकाणी उपस्थित सर्व कार्यकर्ता भगिनी आणि बंधूंनो,
And
आज
this is for all the workers, Karyakartas of BJP who present here today. At first, I thank the people of Maharashtra with all my heart because they've ensured that in the municipal corporation elections, they've given a Maha win to BJP and Maha UT. We've broken all the records of the past. Out of 29, 25 municipal corporations, we'll be forming government in 25 municipal corporations on behalf of BJP or Maha UT. Even if there's a delay in the counting of BMC, but whatever sense we get from here, we know that we're getting an absolute majority in Maha UT and BMC as well. And at BMC, there will be a flag of Maha UT that will be waving. And which is why, just like how Ravindra Chauhan really spoke about right now, in these very elections, we went further with the agenda of development. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, we took his blessings. He's always spoken about development, taken this agenda further, and that's how we went to the people with. And this agenda of development is something that people have confided in. Just how there has been a record break performance mandate in all the municipal corporations. It is very clear now that people want development. People want truth. And that's why people have voted us to power here. And this very election, this very result has proved that Maharashtra trusts Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And which is why today in its essence, it is very evident. I will now want to recollect Hindu Hriday Samrat Bala Saheb Thackeray. It clearly shows that his blessings were on us, and which is why we won today. There is no need to have any kind of speeches here, but it is very obvious that the aspects on which we won this election, people have supported that. And even going further, our agenda will always be development. We will change the look of each and every city and ensure that each and every person staying in that city, be it a middle class, be it the lower middle class, we'll work for them and we attribute this win to all of them. And amidst all of this, I want to give a message that we'll keep working towards Hindutva and we'll always remain Hindutvawadis. And I'm absolutely proud of that. And in that sense, there's no way one can divide Hindutva with development. And our essence, our soul, because it's Hindutva, that's how we've reached out to people. We believe in an all-round approach towards Hindutva, or everyone who thinks that Bharat is its culture, everyone who believes in the concept of Bharat, we involve all of them as Hindus, which is why this is an all-round approach. And the all-round approach is something that people have believed in and gotten us votes for. I'm giving a message to all the Karyakartas here that this kind of a mandate that we get, with big power comes big responsibility. After we win, we do not need to have any kind of a pride. No one will work with pride here. None of the workers have to work with pride. They all have to remember this. So everyone who has won, you need to know that you truthfully work for these people. People have believed in you and given their mandate to you. So all of you should remember that you've come to power because people believed in Prime Minister Narendra Modi and in BJP. And that's why you've come to power. So in no way you need to work in a way that diminishes the party or for that matter Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I believe in all of you. All over again, I would want to thank the people of Maharashtra, our state leadership or our national leadership, be it Prime Minister Narendra Modi, be it Nadda ji, be it Nitin Nabi, be it Home Minister Amit Shah, be it Nitin Gadkari. I thank all of them from the bottom of my heart and all over again. I congratulate all of you for this win. Now we will celebrate, we will have this huge celebration all over again once we have our mayor sitting in BMC. And right now, I would also congratulate all our alliance partners, be it Shiv Sena, be it NCP, with RPI, with PDP. I also personally spoke to Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. Both of us have congratulated each other. We want to work together as Mahayuti. And with that, I end my speech. Thank you. I should specially thank all the Karyakartas because this win is a win attributed to our Karyakartas. All of them have worked 24/7, but they still do not get ticket. They are not working for power. They are working for the party 24/7. This win is attributed to all of these Karyakartas who work 24/7. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
आज महाराष्ट्र में 29 महानगर पालिका के चुनाव में 25 जगह पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी और मित्रों का विजय हुआ है। महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी पर पूर्ण विश्वास दिखाया है। हमारे अध्यक्ष रविंद्र चव्हाण जी के नेतृत्व में महाराष्ट्र का ये महाविजय महाराष्ट्र की जनता को और हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं को हम समर्पित करते हैं। मुंबई में भी एक बड़े विजय के ओर जा रहे हैं। यहाँ पर अभी काउंटिंग चल रहा है, लेकिन जो ट्रेंड से उसके आधार पर मैं कह सकता हूं बहुमत हमको मिलेगा। मुंबई में महापौर हमारा महायुति का बनेगा और मैं हमारे मुंबई के अध्यक्ष अमित साटम जी, इनको भी बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं। और साथ साथ मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं, ये जो विजय है महाराष्ट्र की जनता का हमारे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी पर जो विश्वास है, उस विश्वास की यह विजय है। इस देश में और महाराष्ट्र में प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने जो विकास और विश्वास की राजनीति शुरू की है, उसका यह विजय है। और हम लोग ये संकल्प करते हैं कि इस महाविजय के बाद हम सभी लोग महाराष्ट्र के एक एक नगर को यहां पर उसकी सेवा करने के लिए अपने आप को समर्पित करेंगे। एक एक नगर का विकास होगा, जन जन का विकास होगा, गरीबों का विकास होगा, सभी को सारी बुनियादी सुविधाएं मुहैया होगी। इस विश्वास के साथ हम लोग इस चुनाव में कूदे थे और जनता ने एक ऐसा आशीर्वाद दिया है। ये मामूली विजय नहीं, ये अतिभव्य इस प्रकार का विजय है। इसलिए ये विजय मैं सभी को समर्पित करते हुए आप सभी का बहुत बहुत मैं अभिनंदन करता हूं, सभी को बधाई देता हूं और अपने शब्दों को विराम देता हूं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र।